Dear friends, welcome to Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava. In last session, we have seen wonders of light. In that we have seen refraction of light. Here, in this part, we are going to discuss dispersion of light and scattering of light. Now, what is dispersion of light? Dispersion of light is separation of different colors of sunlight. How does it happen? How we can see 7 different colors from a white sunlight? Have you ever thought of this? Sir Isaac Newton was first to use prism to get 7 different light from white sunlight. So we can define dispersion of light. The phenomena of splitting of light into different colors is called dispersion of light. So we can see diagram of prism given here. A glass prism is placed and a white light is incident on it. We can see refraction of light in the prism, and again it is refracted while going out to air medium. So we can see 7 color band. Why we can get a band of each and every color? Why these colors are not mixed in each other? So why we are getting red color separately, orange color separately? Have you ever thought of this? See, when the colors are dispersed, they are coming out. So red color bends at least. Its angle is very low, very minimum. Red color bends at least and violet color bends at most. So a different band of red color is available here. After red color we can see a spectrum of orange. Orange color is bending little more than the red color. After that we can see a band of yellow color, green color, blue color, indigo color and violet color. So we can see red color band, orange color band, yellow color band, green color band, blue color band, indigo color band and violet color band. These are the 7 different colors of rainbow. So Newton was the first scientist who showed that white color is the color of sunlight which is mixture of 7 different colors. Now these 7 different colors are always present in white color, and if we can do experiment of 2 prisms, again we get a white beam of light from the other prism. So dispersion of light takes place again. Here white beam is dispersed through the prism, and when we are placing a different prism, a second prism exactly in opposite position, so we can get again white light coming out from the prism. Now have you seen rainbow? A beautiful phenomena of rainbow is mixture of 3 different processes. First is refraction of light, reflection of light and dispersion of light. So while doing all the 3 procedures, what happens? When we get rainbow? We get rainbow after rain shower. So what happens? A raindrop, a water droplet acts as a prism. So when sun ray enters in water drop, it refracts and it reflects and then disperses all the 7 color light. This is the procedure of rainbow. We can see rainbow after rain shower. But if we use water fountain is also source to get a rainbow. A procedure is given in our article. Refer the article carefully. Now we are going to see other process, that is scattering of light. What is scattering of light? How does this procedure takes place? The atmosphere is homogeneous mixture of water vapor, small particles of soil and other mixture of gases. So this atmosphere contains small particles of soil and other small particles are present in the atmosphere. As the particles are very small, they scatter blue light from the band of colors of light, and this blue light is spread all over. So when the rays of light spread all over, when they fall on atmospheric pressure, this phenomena is known as scattering of light. When a parallel beam of light falls on atmosphere, small particles of atmosphere help them to scatter in all the directions. This is the procedure of scattering of light. Scattering means to spread. Light rays are spread everywhere. Red color, here we have seen as red color bends less. As we have seen, red color bends less with respect of incidence ray. So we can say that red color scatters less in the atmosphere. So it travels along, and that's why dangerous signals are given by red colors. Red color is used to locate danger signal. Now here we have to see why our sky is blue colored. Previously I said that blue color spread in large quantity in the atmosphere because very small particles of atmosphere helps in the procedure. If there are large particles present in atmosphere, they scatter only white light. But very tiny particles of atmosphere spread blue color in large amount. So we can say color of sky is blue. Now here we have to consider early sunrise and delayed sunset. Why does it happen? Think over it. The problems which are given in our textbook are given in our article. Please refer it carefully, and if you have any queries, you can pass on to loksatta.com or you can mail us on Yashasvi Bhava.